remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
People don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! So, Crumb Boss, what are you swatting flies?
Something went in my face.
Oh, God. Crumb Boss, what are we on now?
Oh, we're on something. I'm not telling what, though.
Okay. Wait, stop. What is this?
We're going to roll out fondant. Remember the zebra cake video that we just did? I'm going to now cover that zebra cake batter that I've crumb iced, and I have it in the freezer, because before I put fondant on any cake, I like to freeze it first. So, that cake is in the freezer. We're going to roll out some fondant, and then we're going to cut out some zebra stripes to decorate this cake like a zebra. So throughout the middle and the whole outside decoration, zebra all the way, baby.
Okay, zebra,
right.
zebra.
Yeah.
Zebra, zebra.
I have a new thing here.
It's a shower curtain.
It is my shower curtain.
That's cool.
That I have brought in.
Yes.
To roll out fondant.
Oh, cool.
This,
So you're not taking showers anymore.
That's right. All I do is roll out fondant.
All you do is roll out fondant, no more showers. Okay. So this is your shower curtain?
This is a new thing that I came upon. I was watching someone roll fondant on a YouTube video, and this thing is amazing. What is it called?
It's called the mat.
It's called the mat.
Meanwhile, it should be called a clear mat.
I don't know. I don't care what it's called.
Yes.
I think it's wonderful.
Why do you think it's wonderful?
Because this thing helps me roll out fondant so much nicer than the way I used to do it, which was between two pieces of parchment paper.
Yes.
Because, you know, when you want to work with fondant, you want to work clean. Look, I have a wooden table here that no matter how much we clean it and scrub it, it's still going to pick up, you know, different...
well, this is a butcher block.
Well, it's a butcher block.
Yes.
The ideal thing to roll fondant on is a marble slab. It's cold. It keeps it cold. I don't have that here.
They have a lot of them in Greece.
Yeah, and in Italy.
And yeah, in the Vatican. Maybe we could go with, like, roll some fondant on the floor at the Vatican. Okay.
So anyway, if you don't have marble slabs and you're not in the Vatican, you can get this mat. It's called the mat.
It's called the mat. But also, it's a piece of vinyl, and it's two pieces of vinyl.
Well, I love it because it doesn't give me the parchment paper was like crinkling up as I roll it. It sticks to the fondant. It was just a real pain.
Okay.
This has made my fondant experience delightful.
Delightful, yes. And we always want things delightful at the Crumb Boss factory because, God forbid, the Crumb Boss is in a bad mood.
That's right.
You don't want to be around. Trust me on that one, yes.
And how would you know that?
Well, no, because I don't work at the Crumb Boss factory. I'm just the producer.
Exactly.
There's a big difference. But I'm just saying is that how would I know? There's notes all over this place. You want me to go start reading the wall? Don't put your aprons over here.
Well,
don't even look at me sideways.
Not only do we have to bake wonderful things, fill up a store in the bakery, you're basically babysitting employees all day too.
Exactly.
So, you know what, you guys? You want to own a bakery?
Exactly.
It's not just fun with fondant.
And it's not just fun with fondant. You want to be a producer? Trust me, you don't. It's not just fun with the producer.
All right. So anyway, I love this thing. I think it's just really great. It makes such smooth fondant. It rolls it out really nicely. It doesn't stick.
Okay.
Like I could basically just push this rolling pin.
Yes.
And I'm not even like rolling it. I'm just pushing it, and it's still making it longer.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right. I'm gonna run and get the cake. This is how easily I can drape it over the cake.
Oh, it's
picking it up
wow! Look at that.
See.
Fun with fondant with the Crumb Boss.
No breaking, there's no splitting, and then you just kind of peel it away.
Wow,
See
it's like
how nice it
magic.
is? And it's so smooth. I was not getting this effect when I was doing it with the parchment paper.
Yeah, these are different things that you find out every day on YouTube. Just like people are finding out Crumb Boss TV on YouTube, people are finding the mat. Even the Crumb Boss found it.
That's right.
Crumb Boss found the mat, people found Crumb Boss.
Social living, everybody.
Social living, I was going to say something else. But anyway, social media.
There's that. Where's
Everybody
my-
always says, oh, how to get more hits on YouTube, how to do this, how to do that. Just look, buy yourself a mat. You know, you never know.
Watch the Crumb Boss.
Watch the Crumb Boss, that's how you do it.
Alright, so I'm going to trim it away. What's my time like?
Oh, you got 4 minutes and 55 seconds. All right, so there we have it. We have she just covered the cake with the mat, the shower curtain. This is, again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the zebra cake. Okay, she's going to transfer it, like, hold it like a baby, right? Okay, Crumb Boss left again. That's the mat over there now. It looks like a crinkled mat.
I have to trim away my board.
Oh, why is that?
Because the board is ugly and I don't need it to be this big. I always assemble my cakes on a board that's a little bit bigger, and then once I'm done with the fondant or buttercream or whatever,
Yes.
then I can transfer it to a serving plate like that.
Oh, cool.
Alright?
All right, so now what are we going to do next?
I have gone ahead and rolled out some black fondant.
Okay. Did you roll that out with the mat?
I did.
That looks like Australia. Look at it.
And to make zebra stripes, it's just really whatever you want. There's no rhyme or reason to it.
Uh-huh.
You just kind of make stripes like this, however big you want them to be.
Did you get A's in art class?
I think you asked me that once before.
Yeah.
And I didn't really take much in art, or in the way
No.
of art.
Because I figured that, like, all pastry chefs and people have to be good artists, right? Like, they have to see things.
I mean, it's helpful, but what you guys want to remember is that pastry starts with something that tastes delicious, right? If it looks great and it tastes like crap, then
Exactly.
what's the point? you
I was
know?
at a party a couple of weeks ago,
Yeah.
and they didn't have a cake from the Crumb Boss, and it was this big cake. And I looked at it and I thought to myself, well, this is going to be disgusting.
And
I couldn't, I couldn't even taste it. It was like I just took a little tiny piece. Even my dad said the same thing. Yeah, so it was just like whatever, you know. Now look at that.
See how we're doing this? So
That
it's really
is so
just
cool.
random strips.
Random strips, zebra cake, made by the Crumb Boss, fun with fondant, or the vinyl curtain, which is the mat.
All right, so then you just really keep on going like this. Now,
Yes.
we're going to take this cake one step further in a third video.
What's that sound?
Either the air conditioner or it's thundering outside, which it's
Do you
probably
hear it?
thundering. Yeah, I did. It's probably thunder.
Oh my God! It sounds like the world opened
Well, it was
up.
100 degrees. I hope it is thundering and raining.
Yeah,
Okay, so you see how we've got this?
that's beautiful.
I'm just going to continue and finish the whole thing.
Okay.
And if you guys want to catch us on our next video,
Yes.
where I will also have this finished zebra cake, you're in for a surprise if you guys like One Direction.
Wait, one more thing! Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.